I I believe one of the biggest things I'm learning, doing testing and learning new skills and stuff, is the storage thing and how to keep stuff and have it hands ready to go and to work well and all that stuff. Work quick. Recently, I picked up these and they're cheap salt and pepper shakers. Or spice shakers, whatever you want to say, spice storage things. And I was going to carve up some chalk for pastels for putting on different dioramas and custom figures and stuff like that I do. Uh, but I also got these recently. I don't think I mentioned these. Uh, these for dioramas and stuff too. Here's more of a bushy one and snow, and these are cheap ones because I wanted to get first time to see how much I would actually use them. They're like a little bit too neon green. If you look at this, let me. Yeah, they're a little bit neon green, but I like them and stuff. But see, there's a couple of different shades of green. But the only thing is, they're in these containers and they're really compact in these. So when you get them out, you gotta like kind of break them up, and you're gonna get out more than you wanted to, and it's almost impossible getting a lot of it back in. So instead of using these for what I originally wanted to use them for, chalk, which I'm going to buy some more and use these because these are cheap dollar store ones. I'm going to try them in these, and that way there's plenty of room in there for it to move around and shake up a little bit. My only issue, which I haven't even opened these to see how they look, but my only issue is probably going to be that it doesn't seal up. So my clumsy butt's still going to drop them. Oh no, it does seal up. Okay, so that's good. So they got a seal on the top, so nothing's going to fall out if you drop it. But I'm going to use these. Put all these. Good number, matches up 6. And it'll be easier storage, easier for me to access it, and to use just little bits as I need it instead of being this big, long to do. So that's my testing and learning for this episode. And like I said, like one of the things I'm learning with to be able to have the skills to do stuff is also knowing what to buy. That's one of the things you learn as you go. That's why you should never spend a huge amount of equipment on anything you're starting out to do. But it's what to buy. Also, that has to do with where you live, apartment, house, whatever. Also is like how you learn. Look at different people's methods of doing stuff, and that's a great thing that you can learn is like how different people do it, not just you or not just this one person that you're focused on and you're learning from, but also how to store your stuff. And I was recently doing a live Hill versus Metal Carter when I was started painting some action figure heads for customs. And I kept having to get up. I thought I brought everything near me, but I didn't. And I want other stuff plugged in there, but I'm going to have to run an extension cord and everything else. And then this coming year, one of my biggest things, more than creating stuff, more than even learning how to make things, is I want to learn how to be better organized, and I want to be better organized. It's healthier anyways. If you're the less organized you are, a lot of times the less clean you are. Dust, everything. So it's good for your health, but it's also good for you to be able to sit down and say, "Oh, I'd like to do this real quick." I mean, my health, like my creative health, improved when I got a new computer, and it's a privilege thing. But so I could sit down at my computer and just start up and say, "I want to do this real quick." Da 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 da, done. And then I could log off the computer, and at any time I could jump on and do like a little thing. And it's the same thing with any materials you got. You want to have them be where they can be accessed and used really quickly. So, yeah. I'm going to put these in here. And then I am going to work on something today. I don't know what yet. Maybe I'll work more on my battle damage Darth Vader. It's pretty cool. But I got a lot more work on him. So, yeah. So, this is what testing and learning is about. Is learning. and seeing what I can and can't do. Sorry, hit the camera. Everybody have a happy holidays, and if I don't see everybody on here before then, have a safe new year, and let's hope things are a lot better in this new year for everybody.